Oftentimes when I'm doing accessibility remediation work, I need to fix how a website is loading its fonts. Sometimes this is because it's being loaded directly through Google and we have privacy concerns, and sometimes it's just because things got done poorly in the first place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to load your fonts via CSS. So the first thing I do is I get most of my fonts off of Google, but when they arrive, they are in TTF font, and we want them to be WOFF. So all I do is I just drag and drop them into this converter. This is Cloud Convert. I'll have the link to this and the CSS in the description of the video. Once I have it converted, I come over and I add the CSS. So the first font is going to be Montserrat, and that is a variable weight font. So I'll go through the CSS with you. First, we have the font family. That declares what it's called. Then we have our font style. We are loading both the normal as well as the italic. Then we list the weights that are available to be used. Now, when we're doing accessibility work, we only want to use 300 to 700 for the weights, but as this is a variable weight font, all of them will be loaded. We list the source location where we can find that. So I have used the converter, and then I have uploaded the converted file into the fonts in my child theme. And then finally, we set the font display to swap. I have also loaded up PTSans, which is a standard font. It's not a variable font. So I have loaded in the specific weights of 400 and 700, and I have loaded in both the italic and the non-italic. When I don't have any font style, I can simply omit it and it's considered normal. Once those are loaded in, all I have to do is just save the file, and then I can immediately start using them.